Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But once every 17 years, a truly massive brood of cicadas arrives in the mid-Atlantic and Midwest, filling the air with a deafening mating hum that can reach up to 100 decibels. That phenomenon is named Brood X, or the Great Eastern Brood. It's set to return in May 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
After mating and laying eggs in the branches of trees, this brood will die off. The cicadas that hatch in 2021 will drop to the ground and burrow into the earth for 17 years. There, they'll feed on the fluids in tree roots until they emerge to breed in May 2038.
Let's help you make your mark.
The scientists targeted 15 bird species, including yellow-billed cuckoos, red-headed woodpeckers, and house sparrows, which eat cicadas. This is a huge resource pulse that enriches everything: soils, trees, and birds get a big nutrient hit.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, they are different species of insects. Locusts belong to the same family of insects as grasshoppers. Cicadas don't cause the same level of destruction as locusts. Although large swarms of cicadas can damage young trees as they lay their eggs in branches, larger trees can usually withstand the cicadas.
Take our lead.
Cicadas are great at clinging to tree trunks and making loud screeching sounds by vibrating their bodies. But these bulky, red-eyed insects aren't so great at flying. The reason why may lie in the chemistry of their wings, a new study shows.
Take our lead.
7 insect killer comes in a dust, concentrate or ready-to-spray bottles. You can attach the garden spray to a hose and treat the perimeter of your yard. The dust and pump spray applications must be applied directly to your plants. To kill and repel cicadas, you also can apply Reclaim IT to your trees and shrubs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.